Yeah, guys. Let's talk about Peter Shalulile because there's been a lot of questions around him that I've received. There were others who were even suggesting that Nasi striker, go for that striker. Looking at his contract situation, it looked as if he was gonna leave. A lot of reports were suggesting that. Well, we now have a clear update on the issue, and the news is that Peter Shalulile has 2 more years with Masandawana Apitori. This happens after the 2-year option in his contract was exercised by Mamelodi Sundowns, who have decided to retain this Namibian striker. So he will stay with Sundowns up until 2027 in June. Peter Shalulile will turn 32 years old in October this year. So yeah, he's definitely coming for that record of Siyabonga Nomvete. I think he has, 121? I think it's 121 goals, if I'm not mistaken, in the PSL era. But yeah, last time I checked, Peter Shalulile is just 1 goal away. So, guys, with the 2 years extension, Peter Shalulile will become the outright, top goal scorer in the PSL era, like with the most goals, which is crazy. So that's the update. He remains with Sundowns for 2 more years.